Black blood, white blood, black blood, white blood, black blood, dark blood. Say
Well, I think I'm truly delighted, and it's thanks to all the consumers who have rated Samsung as one of the most loved brand of 2025. And in 2025, this has been possible because of our Vision AI, TV which we launched, and people have consumers have really liked the AI, the benefit which we have offered in our TV in 2025.
I think it always feels special when your work gets recognized, but it's even more special because the validation is coming from one of the top leading tech publisher brands in India, which is 91 Mobiles, so it feels great.
I think it is very exciting and very encouraging. And we're so happy that the end users love our chipsets, and it is really powering the phones they love. And I think we'll continue like that. Yeah.
Firstly, thanks to the jury, thanks to everyone here, those who nominated us for this. This particular chipset, Dimensity 8450 is a premium chipset. Brings actually best of everything. You can think about, be it your performance, be it your AI, be it your camera, everything.
Absolutely.
So thank you everyone for that. So really excited about this.
Yeah, thank you very much for inviting us. Yeah, then we are very happy to receive the 3 awards. And one is the headphone, and two is the Bravia. And this is all of the products premium segment. And we are now focusing on the premium. Then we are very appreciate to understand our premium. Yeah.
So it feels great, especially since 2019. These awards have been institutionalized, and this is the 6th edition, I've been told. So absolutely wonderful. I think 91 Mobiles has huge credibility in the industry, and to get these 2 awards from 91 Mobiles means a lot to us. So thank you so much.
Yeah, I think it's always special to win for your flagship, and Reno is one of our top camera smartphone, and it's an AI camera smartphone. We won the best selfie smartphone in less than 40,000. And we also won Enco Buds Award, which is the best TWS under 5,000. And I think the biggest one was the User's Choice, most innovative smartphone of the year. Remember, this is User's Choice and it's a big thing. This is what people think about us.
And it's always a great feeling to get the love back because we put in a lot into making all of these products, and to hold all of these special awards it's always a great feeling.
It's becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. I love the scale, but look at this scale today. This is where an award really starts to become the de facto standard of the industry. It is an industry award because remember, this is by far the most bipartisan, but easily the most credible in every which way. It is journalists actually doing this and influencers actually voting. We don't know what the other person is voting for. No brand can influence us. But I love the scale. This is where we should have been from year one. But we're here now, and I think it can only grow bigger and bigger.